I'm Maurizio. I have a question for you.
Yes, of course. What is it?
Do you happen to know Hanks, Melissa, Monica, Ron, Ange, Ludwig, Ivan, Christian, Justine, B, and Josiah?
Well, yeah. They're pretty cool Filipino teenagers. They seem to be growing up as responsible young adults.
What is your message for them right now?
This is coming from the Asian Brotherhood, which is KFC. Dear teenagers, I know sometimes it's like we're at war or something, but how about we make and all become friends?
I think that's a great idea for them. Now teenagers, what is your answer?
Yeah, what is your answer?
This video is sponsored by Asian Productions. Making Asian happen.
Video directed and written by Epic Rice.